In today's video, you will learn how to add a timeline in Microsoft Word. Timelines are a great way to visually present events, stages, or milestones in a clear and professional way. They are especially useful for projects, histories, and step-by-step processes where order and flow matter. To add a timeline, navigate to the Insert tab and locate the Illustrations group. From there, click on SmartArt to open the SmartArt window. This window contains different categories designed for various types of visual layouts. Select the Process category, which is specifically used for showing sequences and progressions. Inside this category, you will see timeline options such as the Circle Accent timeline and the Basic timeline. For this tutorial, select the Basic timeline and confirm your choice. Once selected, the timeline graphic is added to your document immediately. At this point, you can adjust its size to better fit your layout. Click on one of the small circles around the graphic and drag to resize it until it looks right within your document. After resizing, you can begin entering information for your timeline points. Click directly into each shape and type the relevant details for your events or stages. If you need to add another point to the timeline, simply double-click on an empty area of the graphic. This action opens the SmartArt Design tab automatically. In the Create Graphic group, click on Add Shape. A new section will appear on the timeline, allowing you to immediately enter additional information. This makes expanding your timeline quick and seamless as your content grows. If you decide that a point is no longer needed, you can remove it easily. Double-click on the graphic and in the Create Graphic group, click on Text Pane. The text pane shows all the timeline entries in a clear list format. Select the text you want to remove and press Backspace. The corresponding shape is deleted from the timeline instantly. Once your timeline content is complete, you can customize its appearance. Double-click on the graphic to access the SmartArt Design tab, then choose Change Color to apply a color scheme that fits your document. You can also open the SmartArt Styles group and select from various 2D or 3D styles to give your timeline a more polished or dynamic look. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Thanks for watching.